Hey Brian, Corey here. Vanessa told me to send over the screencast over to you. I'm just going to share a few tips on how you can actually get a little bit more quality work coming through your site. And the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So really pulling up your website here, really having enough content so you can actually layer in those keywords of the words that you're actually trying to be found for will make a huge difference in really increasing your content to about 2,000 words on that first page. Even all these images, what they're saved as, it all matters. Like these little images, these star images, any pictures. It's taking a minute. There we go. So it's review stars. You can actually, all these little images, you can put keywords back there for what it's saved as, and that'll just help for more ranking purposes. If I just go inside of AC Repair Orlando FL, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees, which is a just another form of paid advertisements. They came up with these to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls coming from the old school traditional ads. They have this say right underneath the ads. We have this little map pack right here, and really to do to get the rankings here is going to deal with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there though. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking our competition. Underneath this map section is really where it's where you're gonna, all that organic ranking is gonna be where you're gonna be found for. I'm not talking about any ads or anything. This is just straight organic, by the way, and that really comes down to having that authoric content and also a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Kind of give you an example here. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs. Not all backlinks actually created equal, by the way. So they got 112 referring domains, which is pushing back 3.4K backlinks. You got 841 keywords, which in total you get about 629 clicks to your website every month. Looks like you are running ads. The PPC stands for pay-per-click, so looks like you are running some ads there. So just this 629, this organic traffic, you can actually see where those are coming from. This is what people are typing into how you're being found for your website. So how to raise humidity, air conditioning Florida, increase humidity in home, how to raise humidity in house, American Air, Orlando Air Conditioning Companies, how to increase humidity in a room. Let's go to the second page. Really what I'm looking for is those buying intent keywords. Give me a second here. There we go. So they got a, Kissimmee air conditioning repair. There's 40 clicks for that one keyword. You're missing the traffic because you're 9th position on that. Let me find some more. Gosh, you don't have a lot of keywords in here. Let me show you one of your competitions here. This is Del Air. Okay, they actually have several locations in the Florida area, and they're third position. So what we'd want to do is really grab these keywords for that quality work, like AC Repair Orlando FL. There's 200 clicks for that one keyword. AC Repair Orlando, another 600 clicks every single month. Air Conditioning Repair Orlando is 200 clicks every month. And the traffic that he's getting from these keywords is really great. Ideally, if you're actually hunting down those keywords, you should be about 15 to 20% traffic of the total volume. By the way. That's just for all the organic stuff. Anyways, if you see any value in anything that I went over, would love a free custom game plan to help you get there, or at least want to tell me how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks.